In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable rules in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm that a rule is turned off without deleting it. This is helpful when a rule is auto-categorizing transactions in a way you don't want, or when your workflow changes and you need to pause automation for a while. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the Rules section. Depending on your view, you'll typically find rules under the Transactions or Banking area. If you're on a page with tabs like Bank Transactions, Reviewed, and so on, look for a tab or link labeled Rules. That's the home for all your bank feed automation, where QuickBooks applies criteria to incoming transactions to save you time. Once you're in the Rules section, locate the specific rule you want to disable. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar if one's available, or filter and sort by name, payee, or account to narrow it down. Take a moment to confirm it's the right rule by glancing at its conditions and the action it performs, like assigning a category, payee, or memo. This quick check helps ensure you don't turn off a rule you still rely on. When you've found the correct rule, look to the far right side of that rules row. You'll see a small arrow or a three-dot menu icon that opens more options. Click that arrow. This reveals the available actions for that rule without opening a separate page, keeping the process simple and quick. From the drop-down, choose Disable. That's it. Disabling a rule stops it from running on new transactions, but it does not delete the rule or change any transactions that were already processed. It's a safe way to pause automation while keeping your setup intact for later use. After you click Disable, you should see a visual indicator that the rule is off, such as a status that changes to disabled or a toggle that's switched to the off position. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the disable option isn't visible, the rule might already be disabled, or your user permissions may be limited, so check your access level. If you change your mind later, just return to the same place and choose Enable to turn it back on. Finally, after disabling, keep an eye on your next few imported transactions to confirm they're no longer being auto-categorized by that rule. And that's all you need to do to disable rules in QuickBooks quickly and confidently.